weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorraine County until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 11 miles north of Lorain to 33 miles west of Wellington and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Vermilion, Amherst, Avon Lake, North Ridgeville. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Lorain County, Ohio. Branches and power lines will be slowing down. A wind advisory